morning, sir. I am Hanilin Kiliza. And what's your name po?
I'm J.S. Sugar S. Oliveros po.
I'm a student nurse po from Finma University of Pangasinan. So, today po is I'm going to assess your eyes and visual acuity. And first po is assess po muna natin yung sa hair distribution ng ng eyebrows niyo po, skin quality, movement, and alignment po. Okay naman po. Next is we're going to assess naman po yung evenness of the hair sa eyelashes niyo po and the curl direction po. Pikit na lang po, sir. Okay? Okay naman po. Next is, I'm going to assess naman po yung surface characteristics ng eyelids niyo po. Pikit na lang po. Next is, I'm going to assess naman po yung sa pag-blink nyo po. Can you blink po at least twice po? Okay naman po yung sa pag-blink nyo. And next naman po is, I'm going to assess your lower eyelids. Okay naman po, sir. And next naman po is, I'm going to assess your bulbar conjunctiva. And I'm going to open your eyes po. And next naman is I'm going to inspect your upper eyelids po if there are suspected problems po. Then inspect ko lang po yung yung conjunctiva niyo po is if there are any lesions po or for textures and color. Then sa upper conjunctiva lang po, I'm going to gently pull your eyelashes downward po para makita po natin yung upper conjunctiva. Please look down na lang po. Okay po. Okay naman po lahat. Then, next naman is I'm going to inspect and palpate your lacrimal gland using my index finger. Let's observe na lang po any edema between your nose and lower eyelids. Okay naman po lahat. Next naman po is yung, can you look straight po sa akin? Then I'm going to use a pen light po in an oblique angle to inspect your eyes po. Okay? Okay naman po. Next is, I'm going to assess your each pupil po using a pen light. I'm going to hold it 10 centimeters away po. Then, please look at the top of the pen light po. Please, can you look near and far objects po? For example po, tingin po kayo dito, then tingin po kayo sa far objects, then alternate po. Okay naman po. Normal naman po. Okay based on the perla po. And then next is, I'm going to, please cover your eyes po. Sa right po. I'm going to test your visual peripheral acuity. Can you say, stop po pag nakita nyo na po yung object na to? 1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Then dito naman po sa right eye. Okay. Ito po sir, 1, 2, 3, go.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Okay. Lahat naman po normal sa eyes nyo. And next naman po natin na i-assess is stop. Okay, okay naman po lahat sir. And next is we're going to assess po yung visual acuity nyo using a Snellen chart. Pwede pong tingin na lang po kayo doon. Saan po yung, anong number po yung nababasa nyo?
8 po.
Pwede pong pakibasa kung ano yung nababasa nyo letters.
D, E, F, P, O, T, E, C.
Then, paki-cover nyo nga po yung right eye nyo po. Then, pakibasa po ulit kung anong number po yung nababasa nyo.
E, F, P, O, T, E, C.
Then, okay po, sa right naman po.
D, E, F, P, P-O-T-E-C.
Okay po. All normal naman po. Thank you po, sir. And assess naman po natin yung next po is...
Cut mo kasi. Itapalit ka.
Next naman po, sir, is I'm going to assess your ears po. And inspect ko lang po and palpate. Pwede pong look sideways ko lang po. Going to palpate po yung tenderness, elasticity, and texture po. Then next is I'm going to pull upward, backward, and downward po yung tenga nyo. Then forward naman po. Just going to push here sa labis. Then sa mastoid. So next naman po. Okay naman po. Next naman po. Ikaw din.
Ah,
Next naman po is I'm going to assess your balance po. Then can you come here po and stand straight po. I'm going to assess your back po if you have any scoliosis po or problems. Okay naman po. Then I'm going to assess your gait po. Can you walk forward po hanggang doon po? And then walk forward and backwards po. Okay. Then, okay naman po. Then next po. And next here, I'm going to assess your external canal and tympanic membrane. And I'm going to use an otoscope po to inspect if there are any lesions, pus, blood, or any po. So, please kindly move your head na lang po, sir. And I'm going to insert na po yung otoscope natin. Sa kabila naman po. Okay naman po. And then, we're going to assess naman po is yung internal ear canal and your tympanic membrane also. And i-assess ko po if naririnig niyo po ba ng maayos yung normal voice ko. And sabihin niyo lang po if malabo po ba, ma-clear, or any po. And then, ito po yung normal voice ko. Naririnig niyo po ba ng maayos?
opo.
So, okay naman po. So, hindi na tayo mag-proceed sa next step po natin. And then, okay na po tayo sa ears po. So, next sir is I'm going to inspect po yung nose niyo if there are any symmetries. Okay naman po. Deformities po and skin changes. Wala naman po so far. Then, going to palpate po your nose sa so, okay naman po. So, next naman po is I'm going to assess your nasal patency. So, I want you to cover po yung sa right nose mo po. Then, can you, breathe in po? Nakakahinga na po kayo ng maayos.
Opo.
Sa left naman po. Nakakahinga na po ba kayo ng maayos? Okay. So, okay naman po.
Opo.
Next naman po is I'm going to inspect po sa loob ng nasal sa ilong niyo po. If there are any lesions po ba, blood, swelling, or any problems po. But look up na lang po. Ayan po tayo ng
Okay naman po yun.
wala naman po so far. And then i-examine ko po yung sinus nyo. I'm going to palpate po yung sa cheeks nyo, sa maxillary. Okay po. Wala naman pong problem so far. Then, I want you to tell me po kung ano po yung ipapaamoy ko sa inyo. Please close your eyes na po. Ano po sa tingin niyo namin?
Vanilla po.
Okay, tama po. So far, wala naman po tayong problema. So, yun lang po dito sa nose po. Next naman po is I'm going to assess your mouth po. First is I'm going to assess your lips po if there are any lesions, texture po, color, and if there are any signs of dehydration. Okay, wala naman po. Next is pwede pong mag-apo kayo to, I'm going to assess your gums and the teeth po. So, okay naman po Sa tongue naman po is I'm going to assess, pwede pong pakalabas yung tongue po. Going to assess the color, texture, and the coating po if there are any abnormalities po. Wala naman na po. Tapos, please kindly, pwede po bang galaw niyo po yung dila niyo for me to assess the range of motion. Then, pwede pong paikot. Okay. So far, lahat naman po is normal. Then, next po tayo. Then, next naman po is I'm going to assess po yung salivary glands nyo. I'm going to palpate po, kakapain ko po, if there are any enlargement po. And tenderness and swelling. So far, wala naman po. Then, next naman po natin is kindly breath po para palabas po, para assess ko po yung hininga niya. Okay, no? Okay naman. So far, wala naman pong foul smells, any fruity smells po. And all normal naman po. And next, sir, I'm going to inspect naman po yung sa neck nyo. First po is I'm going to inspect your neck. Pwede po nga. For any skin lesions, symmetry po, and if there are any scars, pulsations po, and tracheal deviation. Okay, next naman po is I'm going to palpate naman po yung lymph nodes nyo. If there are any enlargement, tenderness, or swelling. Okay naman po. So, sa neck naman po tayo, sa neck muscles, I'm going to palpate po ulit yung if there are any tenderness po and range of motion po ng muscles natin sa neck. Okay naman po. Then, tetest ko po yung range of motion ng neck niyo po. Pwede niyo po bang igalaw po yung i-rotate po pa right and pa left po. Then, pa right naman po. And then, please move it backwards and paharap po. So, okay naman po ang range of motion natin. And, inspect ko po yung trachea and yung carotid arteries niyo po if there are any symmetry po. So, yun lang naman po, sir. Lahat naman po ng na-assess ko is normal naman po and okay naman na po tayo dun po. So, yun lang po and thank you po.